Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take a root oregano starts. So here I just went out to my herb bed and I dug up some oregano. Just make sure you're getting roots. Okay, so then you are just going to take and snip off that oregano, and you just want to basically leave just a little sprig above the roots. So now you have all these roots here of the oregano, but not much foliage. That lets them put their energy into coming back and getting their roots going and then producing the plant. Okay, so all kinds of little oregano starts here. How many of you all like oregano? Oregano is like literally nature's antibiotic. Very powerful. So I've got all my roots here. My greenhouse is overloaded. Got my soil in this bin here. And I'm running out of all my pots, everything. So I'm literally down to these cups, and so that's what I'm going to start them in. So I have soilless mix here. It's an organic derived product. And I'm going to take just a bit of these roots. So I'll take a little clump like this. These are kind of attached, and I'm going to put that into the little pot here. Let's put it in there, and then I'll take that soil and just go around and make sure they're nice and covered up. Okay, so that's what we do. You want to trim that oregano plant down and just basically leave the roots. We'll water this good and set it in the greenhouse, and we will continue to pot here. So try to start you some oregano plants. They're really easy, and like I said, they're nature's antibiotic. Like, they are super powerful antibiotic. So every homestead, every gardener needs some oregano, and it's wonderful for cooking. Now here you're going to see that we have a start that's really big. Just take your kitchen shears and kind of split it up. So this one I'm going to split into two right here. So then that leaves us with this start, which has a nice little root system, and this start here that has a nice little root system. So if you get one that's kind of just too big to really start, just go ahead and clip it. It's got a good root system and it'll start. Okay, there you go. We have a dozen here started of oregano. It'll give us some new starts if we need them, and if not, we will put them out on our farm stands so that other gardeners can get some oregano starts. If you see some, they're a little long, like this one here. You can see he's a bit long. I'll go ahead, and what I'll do is trim him back just a bit more. So oregano is great for Italian dishes, and like I said, it's super amazing for your medicinal herb garden. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.